Hi everybody, we're eating at Steak and Shake tonight here in Sevierville, Tennessee. Yeah, they're all the one.
Cut.
Oh.
Steak and Shake, action, take two.
Who is that? Your little brother? Hey everybody, we're here at Steak and Shake in Sevierville, Tennessee. All the Steak and Shakes that we used to eat at in Michigan were shut down, which was a big bummer. But look, it's open down here. Be excited.
So let's go get a burger.
Let's go get started.
Let's go.
Let's go, Bobby.
I'm coming. Yeah.
A long time ago, at a restaurant not too far away, I for some reason was tasked with reading the menu. Alright, so they don't have hamburgers. Clearly reads steak burgers. So I'm pretty sure it comes from quail. Yeah. See, look. You got cheese, singles,
Dolphin.
singles with cheese. You know, it could be dolphin. Is it dolphin on
He
it?
said dolphin. Camel.
Yeah. Can add sides.
Donkey meat.
Donkey.
Donkey. Oh,
Huh.
Shrek, read it.
Alright. So yeah, they all come with fries
Slow down.
at cheap
Fiona.
prices. Or you can substitute. They got onion rings, though they don't fit on your fingers. You got applesauce, which actually tastes pretty good, smeared on a burger. Baked beans, but not from Boston. Yeah, laugh it up, laugh at me. This is what happens when you make me read. So, for some reason, if you put an egg, it becomes royal, which don't make much sense. Well, because the egg comes out of the chicken, shouldn't it be the air, not a... No? I think it makes sense. And the original,
What makes it royal? Is it purple? Is it regal?
you got the original prime. If you eat enough of these, you will become the size of a semi-truck. Good old bacon and cheese. One that just comes with butter.
You can upgrade to seasoned fries for 29 cents. Or
That's true.
you could just use seasoning for free.
That is true too. Or that. Western. Nothing west about it though. I mean, because you're right here.
We're actually on the eastern side.
Exactly, we're on the eastern side. I mean, we could travel west to a different table, but
Technically, you're on the eastern side of the table. That's west. You technically are on the east side, bud.
Garlic, not recommended for vampires.
Or people want to do.
It's true. If you don't like buns, you can get a patty melt. or Frisco melt. And then they got shakes. You got the classic shakes, and you got the specialty shakes. None of which actually come with steak, though. So there are no steak shakes, like the name implies.
Nor do they contain milk.
And then besides burgers, they also have chicken, chicken, chicken. Got some macaroni. Got some cheese, spaghetti and chili. Hot dogs. Sorry, steak dogs. Not made with real dog, I hope. And you got some drinks. Just normal, regular drinks. Coffee. More things. They accept MasterCard, Visa, Discovery, and gift cards. Let's see. Other stuff. Coca-Cola, Ferrero. Products. Orange juice.
Hey,
No,
My menu.
you don't get no menu.
My menu.
No menu for you.
My menu.
where's her menu?
My menu.
You don't have no menu.
My menu.
No.
Have you had it?
Robbie stole it.
Happy.
He gave it to Scooby-Doo.
Oh. You do?
You.
Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, you were debating between a shake and a sundae. And I don't know.
Blah, blah, blah. Got lemon water.
Hold on.
Oh, see. What did you get, Genevieve? You got chicken tenders and french fries? Wow. You dip it? Tell me if it tastes good. Take a bite. You want ketchup? Want ketchup? A little bit? There you go. Now dip it. Is that good? Bubby? Is it good? Is it good, Bubby? French fry good? Mmm. What'd you get, Robbie? Just a regular steak and triple steak burger?
Sorry, that response was not found.
No.
Responses are currently unavailable in the beta version. Please upgrade to a premium pass for more responses.
Got a steak burger, triple.
Chelsea, borrow a little bit.
We're at Steak and Shake, and none of us even got a shake.
Or steak.
Well, you guys got steak burgers.
Here, have some lettuce.
Nope.
Nothing's changed.
So we're probably all losers. No one got a shake. I did get chicken. So,
Tell Mom, what's the point?
Aisha. Movies? What do you think? Is it good? To be determined. Is it good?
It's good.
Is it tasty? Is it tasty?
Okay.
It might have been something valuable.
Is it tasty? Genevieve, is it tasty? Is it tasty?
Yeah.
Say,
Tasty.
is it good?
That one hot.
There's a
That
difference
one hot.
It's not hot.
playing there
Hot.
and being a paid
Come on, hot. Come on,
Put it back on your plate. Is it tasty? You got ketchup or barbecue sauce? I love you. Mosty, give me my chicken back. Give it back.
Come back.
Oh, no, that's my chicken. That's my chicken too, but that's my chicken.
That's your second.
Is that your chicken?
I like it.
I love you. We have the crane machines, and I'm surprised we have not even tried to play them. There's stuffed animals in this one. And in this one, going back, there is some boxes. Pretty cool. What? How was your dinner?
It was good.
Did you miss steak and shake? 'Cause I did.
Absolutely.
I did.
Did you miss steak and shake, Genevieve?
Did you miss a baby girl or what?
She's too involved with the cane machine right now. But overall, dinner was fantastic. Chicken fingers never go wrong. Even at 25 years old. Chicken fingers all day long.
I did wrong.
All day long.
Time to move up to some freaking fried chicken.
What do you think? Dinner good? Chicken fingers. Chicken fingers. Well, it couldn't have been awful. He's not saying nothing. Until next time. Bye bye.